75 dapat yun nandito. 145, 775. 775. And pag 8% tayo, pag purely 8% tayo ha, business or practice of profession. In our case, practice of profession yung mga virtual assistants natin. So may allowable tayo na deduction na 250,000. So yung taxable income natin for the first quarter, ayan, negative 104,000. And pag 8% tayo, flat rate lang yan, 8%. So yung taxable income, i-multiply lang ninyo ng 8%. That would give us the income tax due. So negative yung ating taxable income. So yung income tax due natin is negative but zero yan. So wala tayong, pag negative siya, ibig sabihin wala tayong tax due. So zero yan in actual. So yung percentage tax, ito pala yung advantage pag 8% kayo. Wala tayong 3% na percentage tax.